The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG Tribute Monarch for Boost Mobile. So the Tribute Monarch is like their I think it's like their like 6 or 7 tribute series. I think it's like the 6 or 7 tribute phone in the series from LG and Boost. So that is pretty interesting. So this is an update of the Tribute Royale from last year. So yeah. It's available now for $69.99. Currently on sale. The full retail price is $109.99. So you will get what you pay for here, and this is a budget smartphone. And it does look pretty nice and whatnot. So like, how many tribute frames is this? It's like things like this 6 or 7 one, I think, or 8 or something. I'm not really sure. But they've been having tribute frames since what, 2014, I guess, and this is like the 6 or 7th one, so that's pretty interesting. So yeah, the tribute line has always been like a budget line for phones for LG and Boost. So yeah, and this one is no different. So this is one of the phone right here. You do have a nice front-facing camera, power button on the right. Volume key is on the left, and your Google Assistant key there on the left as well. You do have this nice wallpaper, pretty nice wallpaper there. Yeah. The rest of the phone, like I said, power button. Left side of the phone will have your volume case, Google Assistant key, and your semi-micro SD card slot right here. So. And then on the back of the Tribute Monarch, you guys will have dual cameras, camera for 1.0 sensor, LG logo, and whatnot. So this is available in this silver square color here, so pretty nice. So it says here, stand up and defy convention. The LG Tribute Monarch will guide your way. Everything you need to live extraordinary is in the palm of your hand. Watch videos on a big vivid screen. Capture beautiful photos using dynamic dual cameras. Keep your memories close with expandable on-device storage. You have the essentials plus so much more. Dare to be exceptional with LG. And of course, this one is compatible with the expanded network. So yeah. So quick specs at 5.7 inch display, 13 megapixel main camera on the rear, 17 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of storage. Android 10 is on board. Of course, how's it work? Is you order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick up on and activate online. So pretty simple, right? Room to see and swipe. Value your viewing space on the 5.7 inch HD plus full vision notch display. Immerse yourself in vivid colors and crisp imagery, or easily toggle between apps and devices. It's nearly all screen. Fast and focused. Get crisp action shots with a 13 megapixel rear camera featuring face detection and autofocus for extra quick caption. All charged up. Take photos, watch movies, and stay social. A robust 2890 mAh battery provides dependable, impressive power for capturing, watching, and sharing. So you do have a small battery in here, so pretty small battery. Anyway, so it was like a 3000 mAh battery, but it's 2890, so that's kind of interesting. But you do get what you pay for here, so do keep it in mind. So you should get pretty decent battery life, because the screen's like 720p. So yeah. So to expand your vision, get everything and everyone in a 5 megapixel super wide angle camera. Go wider to make room for large group selfies or snap solo shots with background centering. Memories for makers and doers. capture, and insert further the 13 gigabytes of onboard memory. You do get about 15 gigabytes available to use on the phone, and you get up to 32 gigabytes of expandable storage. Fast, strong, efficient. The 2 GHz octa-core processor delivers robust performance to power all your favorite apps and activities. Android 10. Get help when you need it with live caption, smart reply, adjust navigation, and more. Customize your phone to get things done just the way you want it. Mexico remain capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Playing add-on is required for that, so yeah. Of course, it has voice remain capable. Of course, it says keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. And of course, you did get me the hotspot, of course, that's a win. So it says don't get stuck with an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access varies per plan, right? The spectrum here isn't that too bad. Like I said, this is like a decent budget mid-range smartphone. It does look very nice in my opinion. So you do have a 2,890 mAh battery, 17 hours of talk time. That's kind of interesting that it does have a small battery in there. In terms of today's standards, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of RAM will support for external micro SD up to 32 gigabytes. And you will have a MediaTek Helio P22 processor, a 2 GHz octa-core, Android 10, 13 megapixel face detection autofocus, and a 5 megapixel wide-angle rear-facing camera, and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera with portrait mode. And you will have a 5.7 HD plus full vision notch display that's 19:9 aspect ratio. Your dimensions are 5.82 inches height, 2.80 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. And the frame weight is 5.1 ounces. Your connectivity options are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and there's USB cable, probably a microwave. I'm not really sure. It doesn't say. What's included in that box is you will get nothing special. You get the LG Tribute Monarch charger, SIM card installed, USB cable, important information booklet. If you guys need help with your phone, Beast Mobile is here to help you out with that. Says they want to know everything there is to know about this one. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah. So there you guys have the LG Tribute Monarch is now hired at Beast Mobile. It's available for $69.99, currently on sale. The full retail price is $109.99. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, first one for your kid, this one could be worth looking at. The cameras are very nice. This is like Beast Mobile and LG's like 7th or 8th tribute phone, so it's pretty interesting. But the Tribute series is still going, and the Tribute series has been known for a budget line, so they keep it in line now. So the special are pretty decent for what it is. So yeah, there you guys have it. You guys have the LG Tribute Monarch and all by Beast Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.